We can make the hour and 20-minute trek to the Emerald Pool.
My house got a lot of this.
So as a part of the 2-hour ride, I guess it's mandatory that when it's just about to start pouring rain, you have to get a flat tire.
Yeah.
I think that's just it.
Yeah. Or it's karma for calling the channel Chaser Adventure, because we're constantly chasing adventures.
Adventure something, I don't know.
Adventures, like being stranded in the middle of Krabi, no idea where we are, with a flat tire, and it's raining so we can't even leave.
But it's all good, we'll figure it out and get back on the road.
Sad day. This is just our Thailand adventure. Hey Daniel, what do you think about this experience?
It's fun.
It is fun.
Just making sure we don't ruin the camera stuff.
You'll find in the Thai jungle large amounts of bananas. This is where they like to thrive. It's nice and humid, it's wet, constantly wet. I cannot stress how wet and soaking, sobbing, blithering wet it is. But when you mix that with the heat, you have delicious bananas and really weird things crawling on the tree right behind you.
So we were actually able to find some shelter. Now it looks like it's gonna stop raining for a little bit, and we really just need to make it like 10 feet down the road. So we're gonna go ahead and do that now.
Flat tire. Yeah.
So after no luck finding a mechanic because they don't have the right tire size, time for us to just keep on walking.
So he goes, oh, flat tire, I can fix it. And I pointed that we're across the median. He goes, oh. He was like, walk all the way down, cross over, walk all the way back. The guy was super nice. He actually ended up coming over, just telling us to cross the road to go to his shop, and that he was going to just drive the bike all the way down and around, because he said it was dangerous. So, but now it's time to play chicken with a bunch of crazy Thai people who are driving. After this truck, so we just finished up at the auto shop. The guys were so amazing. They got the tire off, put the new tubing back in, shot it back on the bike, and ready to go. So after getting the flat tire fixed, we were like, you know what? Let's just go back into town, have a little reset, and then we'll figure out what we're doing the rest of the evening. And on the way back, we have to pass the beach, which the water is normally where I'm standing.
Yeah, but let's show you where it is now. All the way back there. Like, you see those people over there in the water? Yeah, that's where it starts. We're gonna explore the beach. It's usually the sign of a tsunami, because what happens is, like, you'll have the earthquake happen under the ocean, and then there's this giant gap that forms, right? And the ocean gets sucked in there. And then, sorry, I got saying to myself, it creates this big wave once the fault readjusts, and then that's a tsunami. But this is one of the first signs, is like you're literally able to just walk in the ocean this is water. Dang, I don't think this is normal. Nobody here seems alarmed, but this is not normal. This is the most people I've seen on the beach since we've been here. Typically the water here is very, like there's lots of rip currents. It's just a very aggressive ocean right here that backs up to Nopparat Thara Beach. But today there's like, I don't know, everybody's out to party. I think it may have something to do with the ocean floor being exposed.
Maybe a little.
Yeah, just a bit.
But right now we are about to head to that island right over there because it's usually partially submerged in water.
And now it's like exposed a cave that's under the island. So we're gonna go check it out. Right here is usually underwater. We've made it into like this island's like apparent caves that we had never seen before. I want to explore. My paranoid fear said that this was a tsunami. I consulted the experts on Instagram who told me that they get taught in school that this is actually part of like, I guess just what happens after a full moon, which the full moon was yesterday, which makes sense. And it just pulls all of the ocean back. And so it exposes all of this. And something that's been really cool is we've been seeing just some local Thai people looking under rocks, and they're literally catching crabs with their bare hands and then putting them in their purse. I don't know if it's because they're gonna cook them later or what it was, but that was pretty cool. And the shell game here, guys, if you like grabbing shells, which I love looking for shells, the best selection is right now because they're all exposed, they're everywhere. And then there's these little puddles around the rocks, and then there's like little schools of fish that live there. It's super cute. Thank you guys so much for joining us on this kind of crazy but adventurous and fun day that we've had. Please click the subscribe button below to subscribe to the rest of our adventures around the world.
Make sure that you give us a like.
Share this post with your friends.
And we will see you on our next adventure.